Welcome to our video on the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, in Industry 4.0. In today's rapidly changing world, Industry 4.0 is leading the way in the fourth industrial revolution. It's all about connectivity, data exchange, and automation, and it's transforming the way we work and live. One of the key drivers of Industry 4.0 is the Industrial Internet of Things. The IIoT is a network of connected devices, machines, and systems that communicate with each other to optimize industrial processes. By collecting and analyzing data in real time, the IIoT enables businesses to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve overall productivity. In the manufacturing industry, the IIoT is already playing a significant role in optimizing production. For example, General Electric's GE Brilliant factory in Pune, India is a prime example of the implementation of IIoT. GE has integrated sensors, data analytics, and machine learning to create a fully automated factory. The factory is capable of monitoring and controlling all aspects of production, from raw material inventory to finished product shipping, using real-time data analytics. By leveraging the IIoT, GE has been able to reduce downtime, improve product quality, and increase overall productivity. But the benefits of the IIoT aren't limited to just manufacturing. The technology can be applied to a wide range of industries, including agriculture, transportation, and energy. For example, in agriculture, sensors can be used to monitor soil moisture levels, weather patterns, and crop growth, enabling farmers to optimize their harvests and reduce waste. However, with all these benefits come some challenges. Security and data privacy are top concerns when it comes to the IIoT, as these systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks. That's why it's important for companies to invest in secure and reliable technology and to have strong data security protocols in place. Despite these challenges, the IIoT is poised to revolutionize industry in a big way. With its ability to optimize processes, increase efficiency, and reduce waste, the IIoT is changing the way we do business. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, it's time to start exploring the potential of the Industrial Internet of Things.